As it is, the court Worship State Court case number 28/113/2023. Sinohe Ismail Matswara, Zolile Cornelia Sekeleni, Debo James Tipulu, and Nandipha Muguduma. As please of what Worship. Mr. Mururi appears for accused number 1. Advocate Diba appears for number 2 and number 4. And before we proceed, I request the court to confirm with accused number 3 what the position is with regard to legal representation. As it is. And at the same time, Your Worship, if I may be allowed, I request, in respect of accused number 4, the court must satisfy itself that the person mentioned in the charge sheet is in fact the person before court. And I request that during these short proceedings that we just see her face. I realized last time, even today, she's hiding her face. I could understand before the court starts, she does that to avoid maybe the media and all. But now the court is in session. As you please. I get an indication from the court clerk that because of the power failure, we might not be on record. I don't know if we really need to be recording. I must indicate that there is already an agreement for a postponement. A date has already been arranged for bail application, so we might not really go to an extent that we need to record that. I'm in the hands of the court, as it is.
Right. Mr. Table of James Dipon, what is the position today with regard to legal representations?
I would like the court to provide me with one motion.
Do you mean you will apply for legal assistance from Legal Aid South Africa?
Legal aid, legal aid. Yes, sir.
I'm not sure whether we've got a legal aid practitioner in court. Okay. You may. I get your name?
Mr. Perry from Legal Aid.
Right. Mr. Diba?
May it please the honorable court, Your Worship, I appear on behalf of accused number 2. First and foremost, Your Worship, I just want to to get clarity from my learned colleague for the state as to what does showing a face got anything to do with identification. Unless my learned colleague seems to suggest or is suggesting that they have brought an incorrect person before the court. Identification is not an issue at present time, as the court pleases.
All that I'm saying is the court itself must be satisfied that the person mentioned in the charge sheet is in fact the accused before court. Yes, it can happen that we might find ourselves in a situation where we have a wrong person before court. I'm the prosecution, I haven't seen her face. I don't know if that relates to the name before court yet.
Answered, Mr. Diba.
May I just approach the client?
Yes.
Court pleases. There's a court pleases.
Yeah, I'm not satisfied. I saw that she hasn't fully. Thank you.
Thank you, Worship.
May you also confirm that on last appearance, when this matter was adjourned, I adjourned this matter whilst you were present in court. Madam? Thank you. I just wanted to confirm that it is the same person that I remanded her matter until today.
There's a court pleases.
Thank you, Mr. Matoko. What must happen then? Did you confirm your appearance? Oh, Mr. Mururi.
The court pleases, Your Worship.
Thank you.
As I confirm your appearance on behalf of accused number 1 in this matter, Your Worship. I let my colleagues have it out a bit there, but I am here.
Thank you, thank you.
And then the matter was postponed until today for bail information. Let me have court separate accused number 2 from the rest of the accused. Insofar as accused number 2 is concerned, the state has no objection to him being released on bail. The prosecution has gathered information regarding all his personal circumstances, and for what the prosecution has before it, there are no grounds to oppose his release on bail. I have discussed the issue with my friend advocate, and have somehow agreed even with the amount of bail, with certain conditions. The state suggests a bail of 10,000 rand in respect of accused number 2. And that condition with regard to reporting in terms of section 62A of the Criminal Procedure Act, we attest that he reports once daily at the Port Edward police station anytime from 8 until 4 in the afternoon, any time of the week, but it should be once every week. Secondly, that he does not leave the magisterial district of Port Edward without the permission or without liaison with the investigating officer in this matter, Colonel Flyman. And of course, he does not get into contact with state witnesses in the matter. That's in respect of accused number 2.
Thank you.
I see advocate Diba wishes to confirm.
I confirm confirm that that was discussed between our team and the prosecution team, that a bail of an amount of 10,000 rand should be fixed with the conditions that my learned colleague has already alluded to, and same was also canvassed with the client as the court proceeds.
I understand the arrangements were ex curiae quid pro quo arranged between state and the defense.
Yes.
But may I also hint at as to what schedule the matter is?
It is by agreement that it is Schedule 1 as the court proceeds.
Thank you.
He is, in terms of the, I can confirm that it's only facing charges in the list to count 1, 2, and 3 only. All of which are in Schedule 1.
Thank you. Before I adjourn this matter, accused number 3, may I establish Ms. Seperi? Yes. I did not deal with the provisions of section 6011B at accused number 3's first appearance. May you establish, please?
Thank you, Your Worship. Your Worship, the accused has one previous conviction of stock theft. That was in 2002. He does not have any pending cases.
Thank you, ma'am. Advocate Diva, in respect of accused number 4.
Accused number 4, I can confirm that she does not have previous conviction and pending cases as the court proceeds.
Thank you. Thank you. State, what must happen with the case?
In respect of accused 1, 3, and 4, the state is opposing their release on bail, and we have agreed on the date of the 3rd and the 4th of May, 2 days for the bail application. They remain in custody until then. That's it.
Mr. Morori?
Mr. Court, please, Your Worship, I do confirm that the date of the 3rd and 4th of May 2023 is suitable in as far as we are concerned, Your Worship. And it has been pre-arranged with the same.
As the court pleases, Worship, I confirm that the date is suitable as arranged with the state. The court pleases.
Your Worship, I just came on record. May I just confirm with my point? It's an order, Your Worship. The court pleases.
Mr. Matuku, in respect of accused number 2, should he be remanded same date?
No. As it is, I appreciate that. Worship, you shall notice from the record that accused 5 is already postponed to the 16th of May. So I want to submit and pray that in respect of accused 2, that it be remanded until the 16th of May 2023, as it is.
Mr. Leader,
He does not have to come on the, it must be clear to him, as it is.
No objection there to Worship. As the court pleases.
thank you. Right. Accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your case, rather let me rephrase, accused number 1, 3, and 4. Your case is remanded until the 3rd and the 4th day of May 2023 in court number 20A for your bail application. All 3 of you will remain in custody until then. Accused number 2, you are in custody. You are admitted to a bail of 10,000 rands on conditions that you report yourself once in a week at Port Edward Police Station any time of the week between 8 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. You may not leave the magisterial district of Port Edward without having reported yourself to Colonel Flyman. And you are also ordered not to contact, directly or indirectly, the state witnesses. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Worship.
You are further warned to come back to this court at 8:30 in the morning and to remain in attendance on the 16th day of May 2023. Failure to adhere to the conditions as set out by this court will lead to a warrant of arrest being issued against you, and your bail may be cancelled and be kept in custody. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Worship.
In other words, your next court appearance will only be on the 16th day of May 2023. You are not required to come to court earlier than that. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Worship.
Thank you.
That completes all before you. I'm told that there are other matters that the court still has to entertain. May I request that we adjourn for now, that everybody keep to his or her place until the court has arisen as it wishes. Thank you.
Like earlier indication, please, may everyone remains stand still until I am out of this courtroom. Thank you. Court adjourns.
All rise.
Show